Good morning students, welcome to my channel. Differentiation formulas, integration formulas. Once again repeat that. Differentiation of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Integration of x power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Differentiation of x is 1. Integration of 1 dx is x plus c. Differentiation of kx is k into x differentiation 1. Integration of k dx is kx plus c. Differentiation of e power x, integration of e power x dx, e power x plus c. Differentiation of a power x into log a. Integration of a power x dx, a power x by log a plus c. Differentiation of log x 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x dx, log modulus of x plus c. Differentiation of sin x cos x. Integration of cos x dx, sin x plus c. Differentiation of cos x minus sin x. Integration of sin x dx minus cos x plus c. Differentiation of tan x secant square x. Integration of secant square x dx tan x plus c. Differentiation of cot x minus cosecant square x. Integration of cosecant square x dx minus cot x plus c. Differentiation of secant x into tan x. Integration of secant x into tan x dx, that is secant x plus c. Differentiation of cosecant x minus cosecant x into cot x. Integration of cosecant x into cot x minus cosecant x plus c. Differentiation of sin inverse x 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx, sin inverse x plus c. Differentiation of cos inverse x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Integration of minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx, cos inverse x plus c. Differentiation of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx, tan inverse x plus c. Differentiation of cot inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Integration of minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx, cot inverse x plus c. Differentiation of secant inverse x 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. Integration of 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 dx, secant inverse x plus c. Differentiation of cosecant inverse x minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. Integration of minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 dx, cosecant inverse x plus c. Some another formulas is there in trigonometry. By using substitution method, we have proved. The integration of tan x dx, that is log modulus of secant x plus c. Integration of cot x dx, log modulus of sin x plus c. Integration of secant x dx, log modulus of secant x plus tan x plus integration of cosecant x dx, log modulus of cosecant x minus cot x plus integration of f dash of x by f of x dx. This formula meaning numerator is the differentiation of denominator. This is f dash. Numerator f dash is differentiation of f of x. Then directly log modulus of this denominator function f of x plus integration of ax plus b whole power n dx, then ax plus b whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1, previously x to the power of n integration formula. After that, this x coefficient equilibrate. Another formula is also previous class, integration of sin ax dx. Sin sin integration minus cos ax. After that, this x coefficient right denominator plus sin cos ax or tan ax e to the power of x. These are all same. Last class started exercise 7.3. One problem finished already. Another one, second one. Integration of sine square of 2x plus 5 dx. Sine square of 2x plus 5 dx. This is totally theta, sine square theta or sine square x. Already we know that sine square, this is perfect square. This one convert into multiple angles by applying. What is the formula? Sine square theta equal 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. If we can sine square is there, you can apply this formula. This square one convert into multiple angle. Same here, theta applies. What is that? 2x plus 5. In place of theta, 2x plus 5 is there. This is theta. Then you can apply directly by applying the formula. You can write this integration as usual symbol. 1 minus cos 2 theta means 2x plus 5 divided by 2. dx. This sine square will convert into in this form because we don't know direct integration of sine square. That's why we have to convert this sine square as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Now this simplification integration of 1 minus cos 2 into 2, cos of 2 into 2 4x 2 into 5 10 whole divided by 2 dx. This 2 1 by 2 constant writing outside. After that, this one split out into two terms. Integration of 1 dx minus integration of cos of 4x plus 10 dx. This 1 dx, this minus, here is subtraction of the two terms. That's why the two terms separately applied the integration. 1 by 2 into integration of 1 dx, basic formula, that is x with respect to x, minus integration of cos, that is sine, in place of 4x plus 10 as it is. After that, in denominator x coefficient is what? 4, totally plus. This is in the form of integration of cos of ax plus b dx. Cos integration sine ax plus b by x coefficient a we can write. A coefficient of x, this is constant because suppose this is assuming t, ax plus b as t. A into x differentiation 1, b is 0, constant, dx equal to dt. A dx equal to dt. This a shift to that side, dx equal to dt by a. This is integration of this cos ax plus b as t, dx as dt by a. 1 by a constant. Integration of cos is sin t plus. In place of t, what we can write? Ax plus t. That means sin of t means ax plus b by a plus c. This one directly you can write cos integration sin ax plus b as it is. This x coefficient, what is that? That one denominator. According to that formula, we can write this cos of 4x plus 10 cos integration sin 4x plus 10 as it is x coefficient 4 we can write. By applying this formula. Now multiply 1 by 2 into x by 2 minus sin of 4x plus 10 by 2 into 4 8 plus. This is integration of sin square 2x plus 5 dx. Once again repeat that. Given problem is integration of sin square of 2x plus 5 dx. Integration of sin square of 2x plus 5 dx. Sin square directly basic form. In integration basic format, it is not in a basic formula type. That's why sin square convert into a multiple angle by applying the trigonometric identity cos 2 theta. Previous class already I explained that sin square theta we can write as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. In place of theta, what is that? 2x plus 5. 1 minus cos 2 into theta means 2x plus 5 by 2. 1 minus cos 2 into 2 4x, 2 into 5 10. 1 by 2 right in also. Here in numerator 2 terms is there. One term, cos of 4x plus 10 second term. This one separately you can apply the integration. Integration of 1 dx minus integration of cos of 4x plus 10 dx. 1 by 2 as it is. Integration of 1 dx, it is in basic formula. That's why directly integration of 1 dx. Integration with respect to x. That's why x. Minus cos integration sin as it is. This x coefficient right in denominator. 1 by 2 into x by 2. 1 by 2 into 4 denominator 8. This one. Next, third problem. Integration of sin cube of 2x plus 1 dx. Integration of sin cube of 2x plus 1 dx. It is sin cube. We don't know directly integration of sin cube. It is not in the form of a basic formula type. This is also converted into a cos 3 theta form. Sin 3 theta form, sorry. What is the formula for sin cube theta? That is equal sin cube theta. Sin cube theta, how will get that one? Cos sin 3 theta form. What is the sin 3 theta? Sin 3 theta formula is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. From this formula you can write that. Sin cube theta, that is equal. This one sit to the side, this value sit to the side. Then 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. Sin cube theta we can write as 3 sin theta minus sin cube theta, sin 3 theta. Cube, sin cube, perfect cube convert into multiply. Sin 3 theta formula 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta from this one is to the side. This sin theta is to the side. Then here in place of theta, what is that? 2x plus 1. This is theta in this form. Then integration of sin cube theta, that is 3 sin theta means 2x plus 1 minus sin 3 into theta means 2x plus 1 totally whole divided by 4 dx. Cube is converted to multiple angle. Now integration of this 1 by 4 split out. 3 into sin of 2x plus 1 by 4. First you can see minus sin 3 into 2 6x, 3 into 1 3. Whole divided by 4 dx. Now this 4 you can write in outside or else 4 divided by integration of 3 sin of 2x plus 1 by 4 dx minus integration of sin of 6x plus 3 whole divided by 4 dx. Now here 3 by 4 totally constant, right, in outside, remaining integration of sin of 2x plus 1 dx minus here 1 by 4 constant, integration of sin of 6x plus 3 dx. 3 by 4 into sin integration minus cos 2x plus 1 divided by x coefficient minus 1 by 4 into again sin integration minus cos 6x plus 3 as it is x coefficient 6 by 6 totally plus. Now minus 3 into minus 3 into cos of 2x plus 1 divided by 2 into 4 8 minus into minus plus cos of 6x plus 3 divided by 4 into 6 24 plus 3. This is integration of sin cube of 2x plus 1 dx. Once again, given problem is integration of sin cube of 2x plus 1 dx. Sin cube direct integration we don't know. It is not in the form of a basic formula type. This one convert into a known formula type. In that purpose, first I will convert sin cube theta. This is cube is there. This one convert into a multiple angle. In that purpose, I applied sin 3 theta formula. From sin 3 theta to sin cube theta is 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. Cube convert into multiple angle. Multiple angle is there, we know the formulas. Cube convert into multiple, that is sin cube theta is 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. Here, in place of theta, what is that? 2x plus 1. Theta plus 2x plus 1. 3 sin theta means 2x plus 1 minus sin 3 into theta means 2x plus 1. 3 into sin 2x plus 1 as it is minus sin 3 into 2 6. 3 into 1 3. After that, split out in each term separately. 3 into sin of 2x plus 1 by 4 dx minus integration of sin of 6x plus 3 by 4 dx. 3 by 4 constant right in outside. Integration of sin of 2x plus 1 dx. Minus here also, here 1 by 4 right in outside. Sin of 6x plus 3 dx. Now it is in the form of integration of sin of ax plus integration of sin of ax plus d dx. Sin integration minus cos ax plus d by x coefficient a plus c. If you want to prove previously explained same procedure, this one assuming t. Last class also I explained from among the formulas. Directly in place of integration of sin cos, previous formula type only, but x coefficient after the denominator. 3 by 4 sin integration minus cos this as it is. This x coefficient is 2. Here minus 1 by 4 as it is. Sin integration minus cos. Here x coefficient is 6. That's what 39. So that's simplify. Minus 3 into minus 3 cos of 2x plus 1 by 4 into 2 8. Minus into minus plus cos of 6x plus 3 by 4 into 6 24 plus. Integration of cos cube x dx. Integration of cos cube x dx. Here cos cube theta form. Cos 3 from cos 3 theta to we can find out cos cube theta. What is the formula for cos cube theta is 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 4. This is the derived from cos 3 theta. What is the cos 3 theta formula? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. From this formula to this one sit to the side plus after that 4. Now theta plus x only. Directly you can apply the formula. No problem. Now integration of, that is 3 cos theta means x plus cos 3x by 4 dx. Integration of 3 cos x by 4 dx plus integration of, split out the two terms, cos 3x by 4 dx. 3 by 4 constant, writing outside. Integration of cos x dx. This 3 writing outside. Plus here 1 by 4 constant. Integration of cos 3x dx. 3 by 4. This is directly basic formula. Integration of cos x is sin x. Here x coefficient is what? 1. That's no problem if you can write or not. If you can x coefficient 1, if you can write or not, no problem with that. Because x coefficient 1 means automatically denominator always 1. 1 by 4. Cos integration sin 3x. But here x coefficient is 3. That 3 you can write. Plus. Now 3 sin x by 4 plus 4 into 3 12. 1 sin 3x by 4 into 3 12 plus this is integration of cos cube x dx. Once again repeat that. Given problem is integration of cos cube x. Integration of cos cube x means that is cubic. That's why convert it to a multiple angle by applying the cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta formula 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. From this to cos cube theta, this minus shift to the side plus cos 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 4. Now in place of theta, what is that? X only. That's why no problem with that. 3 cos x plus cos 3x by 4. Now split out this into two terms. 3 cos x by 4 dx plus integration of cos 3x by 4. Now this 3 by 4 writing outside. Integration of cos x dx plus this 1 by 4 writing outside. 1 by 4 into integration of cos 3x dx. Now 3 by 4 integration of cos, that is sin x, 1 by 4 integration of cos, that is sin 3x, x coefficient 3, writing the number 3 by 4, 3 into sin x, 3 sin x by 4 plus 1 into sin 3x, sin 3x by 4 into 3, 2. Yes. Another problem. Integration of sin 4x into sin 8x dx. This is multiple of two ratios. This one, first we can convert into a sum of the terms. Product of the terms is given by applying the transformation formulas. In trigonometric transformation formulas, here we can apply. Previously, I have explained 4 formulas. What are the 4 formulas? 2 sin A cos B, that is equal to sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. 2 cos A sin B, that is sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. 2 cos A cos B, that is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. 2 sin A sin B, that is cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. This is a dangerous formula because it all are start with A plus B. But this one start with A minus B. Now, observe that the given problem is sin sin. That means sin term. You can apply this formula. This is the product transformed to the summation. That means subtraction or addition. Now here we require what? 2. That's why first multiplied and divided by 2. 1 by 2, 2 divided, 2 multiplying, 2 into sin 4x, sin 8x dx. 1 by 2 integration of, now this is A, this is B. A, B. A, if you can, like this type of problems is mentioned, most of the times, better use highest angle is A, least angle is B. Then easily you get that. Alright, so that's this. Sin A, sin B. 2 sin A, sin B. What is the formula? Cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B, 4x minus 8x. Minus cos of A plus B, 4x plus 8x. Totally dx. That means this is the product function, given one, convert into a summation or subtraction of the two terms. Product terms convert, transform to the subtraction terms. Now 1 by 2 integration of 4 minus 8, that is minus 4, plus 4 minus 8, that is minus 4, minus cos of 4 plus 8, 12x, totally dx. 1 by 2 into integration of cos of minus theta. What is the formula for cos of minus theta? Is cos theta only. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Except cos and secant. These both negative also positive. cos of minus 4x, that is cos 4x dx, minus integration of cos 12x dx. 1 by 2 integration of cos is sin 4x, x coefficient 4, minus integration of cos is sin 12x, x coefficient 2, at the last plus. Now simplify. 2 into 4 8, sin 4x by 8 minus sin 12x by 2 into 12, 24 plus c. This is integration of sin 4x into sin 8x dx. Okay. Once again repeat that. Given problem is integration of sin 4x into sin 8x dx. This is the given problem. This one is a product. This is not in our basic formula step. That's why this one convert into a summation or subtraction of the two terms. This is product. Integration of f into g form is there. We don't know integration of f into g. We know that integration of f plus or minus g is up to. This one separately we can write. That's why this trigonometric multiplication of the two trigonometric functions is given, convert into subtraction or addition. In that purpose, this here multiplication convert into summation by applying the transformation formulas in trigonometric ratios. 4 formulas is there. Sin cos is there, sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b, or cos sin is there, sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Cos, both are same ratios but different angle. Is there then cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Sin, both are same ratios but different angle. Then cos of a minus b minus cos of a. Here is sin is there, we can apply that. Before that, here 2 is there, here 2 is not there. That's why first I multiply and divide by 2. 1 by 2 divided 2 multiply. Then 2 sin 4x into sin 8x. This is here, this is b. Now it is in the form of 2 sin a cos b. Here a is 4x, b is 8x. Then we can apply cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Cos of a minus b 4x minus 8x minus cos of a plus b 4x plus 8x. 4 minus 8 minus 4. 4 plus 8 2. Cos of minus theta, cos theta. That is separately we can write this.